President Biden's billionaire tax on the wealthy, outlined this week in his State of the Union address, may be dead on arrival in Congress, but on a state level, it is gaining traction. Lawmakers from 8 states, including New York, California, Illinois, and Hawaii, are among those pushing bills to tax wealth and income. Joining us now to discuss, CNBC's Robert Frank. And I mean, Robert, those states I just mentioned are ones that are already suffering some outmigration, have already struggled to keep wealthier residents in-house. I suppose it's not an automatic easy trade to say that they're going to get that revenue.
You're right. And that's why I think it's important for investors to really keep an eye on this, because even though it's not imminent, certainly at the federal level, as you mentioned, and probably not even at the state level, the Democratic Party, certainly a wing of the Democratic Party, is just captivated by this idea of taxing wealth and now taxing unrealized gains. So we've got proposals in California to tax wealth over $50 million. In New York, you've got a proposal to tax all unrealized capital gains over $1 billion. And remember, a lot of those unrealized gains are stock. So if you own a lot of Apple stock and it went up during the year, even though you didn't sell any, they would like to tax that. And, you know, these states, as I said, some of the governors are going to oppose it, so it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen anytime soon. But as the sort of left fringe of the Democratic Party continues to push this at the state and federal level, it kind of moves the moderate wing a little bit closer maybe to being more amenable to raising the overall tax rate or raising the capital gains rate, because there's so much impetus and energy put on the wealth tax, which is an extreme tax.
It sure is, yeah. Or even a movement toward an alternative minimum tax that actually acts like maybe it was initially intended to on very large, earners. We'll see if any of that takes hold. Robert, thanks very much.